Hey guys, I'm back. So I got some new wigs in. As you can see, I am so excited. Just a confession moment, I was getting so bored. I wasn't seeing anything that caught my eye. I've tried them all. Y'all know I love stuff, just bold stuff to get out of bed for, you know what I'm saying? So our friends at It's a Wig, they sent me over 4 of their like brand spanking new units. So they've agreed to sponsor today's video. So I'm gonna go through these that I think will be perfect for the spring and the festival season. I'm so excited. So let's get it, you guys. Which one should I try first? I think I'm gonna try the purple one first because purple hair is one of my favorites. So for their new wigs, It's a Wig decided to name the campaign Color Me Bold. So I thought I'm gonna try the boldest wig that they sent me. This one is purple and it has that that streak in the front and no wig cap today. I can't even find my wig caps, honestly. And this one is called Edgar and she's in the color FF Purple Black. And I am wearing like a neutral top today just to not distract from the wig. And this is it, like straight out the package. I didn't have to cut any lace or anything. So what do we think so far? Their color is so bomb. There's actually purples in the black. So they faded out from like black to like black and purple. Oh yeah, the sun is coming out so y'all can definitely see that color unfiltered in daylight. Okay, it goes from purple black to like black and purple, and there's this like lilac mix at the bottom. And how can I not notice the purple streak in the front? And it's giving me like Justine Skye's sister. Bold, so beautiful, so modern, so trendy. I love it. And I'm trying not to be biased because purple hair is like my favorite color hair. So I'm just gonna be humble and just wear the wig. Y'all will decide what you think about it. And don't be afraid to let me know what you like and what you don't like. So this is it straight out the box. It has this wavy curl going on that I think is perfect for festival season. So this one was Edgar. So what do we think about Edgar? Okay, let's switch it up. So we went long, let's go short. This one is called Zaya. And she's a peach pink, and I'm not gonna lie, I opened this as soon as I got it. I ain't never seen a wig like this color. It says peach pink. It reminds me a lot of Rihanna. Y'all know me, tightest strap all day. I have a small head. What I love about this is that it has combs, because this is a short wig. Some short wigs don't have anything. And you'd be like, okay, how am I gonna secure it? How do I secure my wig? It has combs and adjustable straps. So let's put her on. And if y'all laugh, you're going to hell. Just saying. Because I'm super self-conscious about trying on short wigs. Look, I just put it on. This is what it looks like. This side looks like Grandma Myrtle. This side looks like sex symbol. This side looks very sexy. This side looks very senior citizen. I actually didn't think I would say this, but I love this. Like really, like, I think it's because it's adjustable. It fits me nice and it doesn't feel like it's gonna fly off my head. And I like the curls. I was actually thinking about getting this cut on my own hair because I like that you can play with the front. You can have sort of like a mohawk. You can do just a flat pixie. You can bump the top. You can make it all sorts of shapes. I'm gonna show you guys just some examples of what I mean. Okay, so I can just like do like this twiggy boy cut like this, just like this. This part I would have to flatten out though. I'll probably just take an iron and just flatten it out. This is like the boy cut pixie. Just by doing a few finger motions, I can totally transform the look. Look at that, oh my gosh. Yes, this will go great with like a neon outfit. But my favorite way to do it is to get some volume at the top. Kind of balance out my head shape. My head is so like long, like sideways. My head is long sideways, so I kind of have to add some volume to like even it out. Kind of like that. Yes, it's coming to life. Just like that. And I like adding like these little curls. Look, you guys, you can also comb it to the front. I'm gonna need y'all to give this video a thumbs up because I am making a fool out of myself, trying all these looks that I don't usually try just for you guys, because I know some of you guys want to try this style, or maybe you do wear your hair like this and then you're like, oh, I wonder what that looks like. So this is it. Wow. So guys, are we feeling Zia? I can barely find a wig now that's adjustable, comes in really cute colors, and in a pixie cut. So thumbs up for this one. So record scratch, let's take it back. Let's take it back to a wig we've probably tried before. I don't know what's different about this, so we're gonna find out. It's like a regular curly wig. Her name is Maxie. Maxie. All right, let's try Maxie on. Also forgot to mention the ear tabs. It's a wig has this thing where the ear tabs are like, they hold the sides of the wig snug to your temple, so it's not gonna like fly off, and it literally just secures the wig. So let's see. Yeah, see what she was trying to do. These curls are giving me Sunday school. We're gonna have to comb her out. I'm gonna try my fingers first. I hope it doesn't frizz out the wig. That's not my intention. I want her to look cute. I don't want her to be frizzy. So let's do this. So I'm gonna fluff her out from like the root. Kind of like how you would do with your natural hair. Yes, this reminds me of like Natural 85's hair, or like some really cute Naturalista, how thick and fluffy their hair gets. And this is in the color TTP 1B30, which I've never seen before. Super cute color combination, and it's not clockable whatsoever, which I love. Okay, I changed my mind, you guys. I think I'm allowed to change my mind sometimes, you know? But I like the frizzy look. Y'all see that? This one might be actually cute for music festival, actually. You don't have to worry about any parts or like sweating or anything. Like Curl Fest, yes girls, this will be perfect for Curl Fest. Okay, I'm getting a little too excited. I feel like I changed it from one style to another totally different style. This one could be like the really short bang look, like a diagonal little cut like this. Y'all know what I'm talking about? It could totally do that. You guys can also do like a side bang. Oh my gosh, there's so many ways to style this thing. You know what? I can probably actually bring it back a little bit. Let's say I like styled my edges and pulled it back. Yes. I think I found it. We found it, y'all. This is a style right here. Is this not the cutest thing? Okay, last but certainly not least is this one. Y'all see that streak in the front? That's bold. I feel like a black girl designs these wigs because the accuracy, they're really on point with these designs. I love like the colors and the way they make the wigs and stuff. So this last one is called Kahlo, like Frida Kahlo, and she's in the color FF Red Wine. This one has combs right here, like right here. I'm not sure why. Ouch. Hold on, guys. Ow. Ouch, I should not have put that on so fast. And it's making my hair flake up too, oh my gosh. Okay, this one has the combs right here. Not on the sides, but literally on the sides of the part. So yeah, I should have tried this on with a wig cap. The streak in the front, that's super trendy, and throughout the wig, they don't just put like a bold black and then color. They kind of distribute it throughout the top, and then at the bottom, they kind of ombre it out, if that makes sense. And this one has streaks, and it's not curled, so you can really see the streaks in this one. It's an FF Red Wine. I don't know why I feel like I look like a superhero. I feel like there's a superhero with the same hair color. Out of all the wigs, this one is the least ready to wear. So I feel like to do it justice, I'm gonna have to do a little something and then come back. I don't know if I can wear this one straight out the box. But let me know what you guys think. Y'all remember this era. This was a moment. Rihanna had this color all the time. But it looked great on her. I'm not sure about me. Okay, so I turned on my ring light and it's making the hair look even bolder. So let me try to do something to the part. I don't like putting concealer. Concealer makes it very obvious. I usually put concealer underneath it, but this is what the part looks like. And they give you a little room in the front for baby hairs. Yeah, I can say I've definitely never seen that. I guess I missed this part where there's baby hair right here. I don't know, do you like pin it up or something? Okay guys, this is Kahlo. Actually, I think the more I wear it, the more it will grow on me, but this is definitely, for me anyway, this is definitely like an event wig. This wig is not for the weak. It's not for the scared and the shy. If you want to put yourself out there, these colors are it. Like, they even have like a gray. I'm curious to see what jean gray is, and they have copper brown, copper, auburn, pink, lavender. Like, the colors are bold, okay? This one has got me outside my box. I've had a few minutes to think about it, and she's growing on me. Yeah, it's definitely bold if I want to make a statement. Halloween, if you do that, that'll be great. And don't be scared, y'all. They have regular black, okay? If you want black or brown, they got it. But I want to try the white pink one. The white pink is literally white and then pink. What? This is like my dream right now. I am living. I did notice like a cone head situation going on, but I would have to like mold the wig, probably like turn it inside out and kind of like flatten it with some heat. And this is how long the wig is. So that was Kahlo. Let me know what you guys think about these wigs. What you think about Edgar, what you think about Zia, what you think about Maxie, and what you think about this one, Kahlo. So thank you guys for watching and spending time with me today, and thank you to It's a Wig for making these bomb new designs to keep us on our toes, keep us trying new things, getting out of our comfort zones. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Take care. Mwah.